Here you've got BLUBOO S8, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer. Now go to the contacts, pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, this avatar to, and then select edit. So now just tap on the camera icon and select an image, take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can also select from contacts photos. So if you have some photo applied to any other contact and you would like to put it also to Johnny, you can pick it, but I will select the image from my device's internal storage. And now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. Then you can customize it, so just crop it in accordance with your needs, tap on apply, and finally select save. So this is it. From now on, as you can see, this picture is assigned to this contact. So once Johnny will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.